All right, it says an airplane with a mass of 100,000 kilograms tows a glider. They're attached. There's a tow cable. Tows a glider with a mass of 60 kilograms, 60,000 kilograms. If the airplane propeller provides a net forward thrust of 40,000 newtons, what is the acceleration of the glider? Okay, so this is the mass of the plane, 100,000 kilograms. This is the mass of the glider, 40,000 kilograms, and that's the amount of thrust. Clear? And what they want you to do is calculate the acceleration of the glider. But guess what? The glider and the plane are attached, so the accelerations are the same. Clear? So it's going to be this. It's going to be F net equals M1 plus M2 M. So F net is the amount of thrust, correct? So it's F thrust divided by M1 plus M2. Okay? Equals A, which equals 40,000 newtons over okay? What's the answer? What do you got? So it's 40,000 divided by 140,000. 40,000 divided by 140,000. About 0.3? What do you got?
0.4.
0.4. Okay, it's that high. All right, so A equals 0.4 meters per second squared. All right? So 40,000 divided by, can you do that again? Is that right? 40 divided by 140. Is 0.4? 40,000 divided by 140,000. 40,000 divided by 140,000.
0.28.
0.28. Yeah, I thought this was wrong. So it's going to be 0.3. It's rounded. 0.28, 0.3. I thought it was around 0.3. Okay? So, what you do is, this is the mass of the airplane, this is the mass of the glider. Now, it's a system of two masses, they're attached. This is the thrust, that's the net force. It's going to be the net force equals the sum of the masses times the acceleration. Easy? Right? Yes? Easy? Divide through, you get 0.3. Yes, say two. That's the thrust, it's in the problem. Force of what? Force of flying. I don't. That well, yeah. The thrust is the FA. That's the applied. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. The thrust is the applied force. That's what I'm applying. It's a net force. Okay. It's the net force. Yes. Okay. Now. We're saying that there's no air friction. Of course, you're going to be coming over air friction, etc. But this is just thrust, and we're ignoring all of that. That's it.